Introducing Crocodile garage doors, where style meets security. Transform your space with our expert team. Our doors offer both beauty and durability, just in time for winter. Our advanced weatherproofing keeps the elements at bay, including a robust rubber seal and aluminium construction. Rain or shine, our doors protect. Experience peace of mind with advanced security features. Choose from a range of colors to match your style. Convenience at your fingertips. Get an incredible 20% off and free expert installation. Transform your home with Crocodile garage doors.